can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the Supreme Week 14 leaks, I guess you could say, because we don't have a partial drop list. We don't even have the full drop list. So I'm gonna talk about some of the items that we do have confirmed, a collaboration that we should be seeing this week, and a couple other sneakers that we are gonna be seeing upcoming, whether it is from Jordan brand or some Nike shit. I'm gonna just talk about a bunch of stuff in this video. If you guys doing up enjoying this one, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm gonna try not to drag this video along. I'm gonna try to make this one as short and condensed as possible. But we do have the Polartec collaboration with Supreme supposed to come out this week. There's like 4 items which are confirmed to release. I'm gonna start from the dookiest ones and work my way up to the top, where there's a couple of them that I'm actually debating on going for myself. All the way at the bottom, we got this Polartec beanie. Shit looks crazy. It literally looks like a muffin top on the top of your head. I don't know how I feel about this one. It is that fuzzy material. It's not for me, bro. It doesn't have a cuff on it. It literally looks like a suction cup on the top of your head, almost like a condom tip, and I'm not gonna get this. I honestly don't really like this shit at all. We got this Polartec overalls. I don't know when was the last time I saw Polartec on some overalls, but I don't know how this adds up or how people will pull this off. I feel like carpenters or people who normally get dirty wear overalls. Being that they are Polartec, literally any type of liquid, any type of nasty shit will attach to these. I do like the concept overall, but I just don't know how practical these are on a day-to-day basis. They're cool in general, but I honestly am gonna stay away from those. Now we're gonna get into the 2 better items from this whole Polartec release that's gonna be coming out. We got the half zip pullover, which is a banger. I definitely am a fan of that cream color, even that blue one. Both of those are definitely solid in my opinion. I kind of do like that fragmented, like woodland, almost camo color, but I feel like if I was to go for this, I would definitely pick up that cream with the red BOGO, or just the blue with that white lettering on it. Just looks clean as well. I feel like you could definitely pull this off easier than the fucking overalls, but these are clean. And if I was to go for it, those first 3 colors, the cream, the red, or the blue, would be the colors I go for. I feel like you can't even go wrong with the black. We basically got the same shit from the Fleece on a hoodie, and the hoodie is actually clean. This one's like this fluffy material, but it just looks way better put together. I love the fact that instead of having drawstrings on the hoodie, it has like this toggle to tighten it. That's actually a really clean touch to me, and I feel like if I was to go for this, I would go for that cream. The black one just feels like an everyday hoodie, but I feel like I have a bunch of black hoodies, so I probably would just go for the cream or the blue on this one. Both of those are honestly solid. I feel like if one of these was to resell, it would more than likely be that cream one, because that red box logo just looks beautiful on it, and I feel like they're not doing the most with this, but it just works. It literally just looks perfect. It doesn't have this big ass branding on it, but it also doesn't have like this minuscule logo on it, if you know what I'm saying. This is definitely a solid piece. I also wanted to say that due to Thanksgiving being this Thursday, the Supreme drop is gonna be on Black Friday, so make sure you don't wake up on Thanksgiving early thinking you're gonna catch your L on Supreme, because that's more than likely gonna happen on Friday. Now those are the only items that are listed on Supreme community, but it is being said that we're gonna get the Supreme AntiHero collab. Honestly, I don't know how you guys will react to it, the non-skater Supreme community, including myself. I feel like this is gonna be a clean collaboration. They typically do these every 2 years or so, and this mock-up that we have for one of the pieces isn't looking that bad, bro. I just feel like I would much rather have the Polartec stuff rather than this, but this isn't that bad in general. You have like the Supreme AntiHeroes logo on the back of this hoodie and like almost this deconstructed type font, and honestly it looks clean on this gray colorway, but this is just a mock-up. Then on the front of it you have like this AntiHero. I feel like if they had the Supreme logo on the front, like that AntiHeroes cutout font, it would have definitely been harder. But once again, this is a mock-up, so we don't know exactly what it will look like. I feel like this would be a banger. I honestly am excited to see what they come out with. Are they gonna do an accessory? I'm honestly honestly waiting for the Mortal Kombat machine, and I'm waiting for the Chucky doll, even though I don't even know if I'm gonna buy that shit. I'm gonna probably end up going for the Mortal Kombat machine. I just went off on a tangent. That's pretty much everything we have for Supreme thus far. Now I'm gonna talk about some sneaker releases, which we are supposed to be seeing whether 2021 or at the end of this year. I'm gonna just go ahead and rapid fire through some of these because my camera is dying. And I'm gonna start off by saying that the Bread V2s are supposed to restock on December 5th. This is honestly the last 350 I need in my collection. I feel like the 3 that I have are solid, and I'm not trying to overexpand my Yeezy collection because honestly, Yeezys are dying, bro. I removed them bitches off the top shelf. It's over for those. I got the black ones, the zebras, the blue tints, and the last pair that I'm looking to pick up are these Bread V2s. After that, bro, I think I'm good on 350s. These are a solid pickup though. It's rumored that on December 10th, the Yeezy 350 zebras are also going to restock for like the 8th time. At this point, them bitches have restocked like 4 to 5 major times. I have my pair. I don't need another pair. But if you haven't got them yet, I feel like this is a solid pickup, or this is even a good investment piece because zebras will always go up through time. This is one of the solid colors for the 350s, but I'm gonna probably sleep on those. It's rumored that next year we're gonna get the Jordan 1s in the neutral gray 85 cut. If you guys don't know, these are one of the OG colorways, one of the OG styles. It's gonna be like a little higher cut with that neutral gray around the collar, and this is a fire sneaker. I honestly really am excited to get these. This is a pair that I feel like is gonna sell out. People will regret not picking it up, and then they'll pay that resale price. This is a banger sneaker, and there's a bunch more Jordans that I'm gonna try to go over. You do have these Jordan 4s and like this UNC almost colorway. This used to be a PE, and the reason that you can't tell that it is a PE, if you look at the tongue, it has that little tab that has a 23 on it, which pretty much says that this was inspired by a player exclusive, basically meaning that they're dropping PEs. I want to know how you guys feel about Jordan doing this. Honestly, I don't know how I feel because there's a lot of people that actually collect player exclusive sneakers, and now that Jordan is actually releasing these to the general public, it does lower the price for people who paid $4,000 on these sneakers. I feel bad for you, son.
99 pounds for the K1.
You should definitely try to go ahead and swap these for a pair that hasn't come out or isn't gonna come out. This pair is clean, bro. Honestly, if I could get my hands on it for retail, I definitely will. We got another pair of sneakers that's pretty much in the same color, and they almost remind me of the turbo greens. They're a must, bro. Low-key, those UNC Jordan 1s releasing next year are crazy. I'm gonna need those hands down. With this baby bluish suede on it, these just look amazing, and I definitely am gonna try to get my hands on these. I feel like Jordan 1s are just a sneaker that you can't go wrong with. No matter what color, it just looks beautiful. Unless it's some bullshit, these are gonna look gorgeous, and I'm definitely marking these down from my list of sneakers that I need next year. We also got another PE, which is gonna be releasing the Georgetown Jordan 3s. This is almost like that grayish and navy blue color. These did release back in the day for the Georgetown players, and they're gonna start dropping these bitches. I'm telling you, hide your PEs, hide your kids, hide your wife, because they releasing everything out here, and your pocket's gonna take the hit if you have these. I'm probably gonna try to go for these for retail. I feel like it's a banger sneaker. It just sucks that a lot of people are gonna hate on it because they do have the more expensive version, but I don't. So I'm gonna definitely try to go for these. Besides all these sneakers, we got the Jordan 3 cool grays, bro. I already missed out on the Jordan 4 cool grays, so the fact that they're releasing the 3s, so the fact that they're releasing these is a banger, bro. I really do love the little hints of orange. I do kind of see that the gray is a little bit different, but that's expected. When it comes to these Jordan releases, they typically do switch it up a little bit just so that the people that have the older pair don't get mad at the newer pair. This is still a clean ass sneaker nonetheless, and it's a sneaker that I'm gonna have to pick up, bro. It just is what it is. We do have some leaks for FTP. They're gonna be doing a collaboration with Chief Keef, Glow Gang, if you don't know what that is, but it does have like the little sun on the tee right here, and it does say Glow Gang FTP. There are some pieces that we have seen leaked. I'm honestly not gonna talk about all of them because it's a lot of shit. This tee right here is fire. Hopefully they do a Chief Keef photo tee. That would be hard, but I am excited to see what they come out with in that collaboration. Probably like some rolling papers, some hoodies, and some other shit like ashtrays and stuff. That is a banger. We also do have these Thank You for Caring Dunk lows. These almost remind me of those community garden dunks that came out earlier this season. They do look fire, bro. These give me like what the dunks type vibes, and it is rumored that these are gonna release January 2021. Low-key, that's right around the corner, and these are gonna release for $100. Resale is estimated to be bananas on this pair, and I kind of see why, bro. There's what the dunk vibes on this pair right here, and you already know if you can't afford those, you might as well go for these hoes. The last thing I'm gonna talk about are these Nike Dunk Low in the Panda colorway. This is basically the black and white Dunk Lows. We saw the Syracuse drop, we saw the Kentucky's drop. Each of them are doing numbers on the board. I'm talking about $500-$600 for a $100 pair of sneakers. Is crazy. I feel like this black and white pair will do the same thing. Honestly, I feel like it's a nice looking sneaker, but it's not better than the ones that actually have color. And for this color blocking, this specific sneaker, I'm honestly waiting for the Jordan 1 black and white. Those are so clean. I feel like you could wear those with anything. The last time those released was like 2015, and I'm really looking forward to them dropping those again. That would be a must cop. I feel like you could just wear those with anything. So I'm honestly just gonna go ahead and try for these, take my L, and wait for the other pair to drop. So just in case my camera die, I'm gonna do an outro real quick. If y'all did enjoy this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let me know what was your favorite leak or sneaker that I spoke about in this video. What's your favorite item from the Supreme shit that we got going on? Slap a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells if you're new and would enjoy more. Let me know what kind of shit you would like to see on the channel. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.